Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Known for revolutionizing the drone industry with innovative designs and cutting-edge features, DJI has set a high bar for itself. But with all the hype surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, the pressing question remains: is it worth it? Or is it another overpromised gadget that struggles to deliver? Let's find out as we unpack its features, performance, and value for money. Setting the stage. The ever-evolving drone market. Drones have transformed from niche tech toys into indispensable tools for creators, professionals, and hobbyists alike. Over the years, we've witnessed manufacturers claiming to redefine the market with each release. However, few brands consistently deliver on their promises like DJI. With a reputation for setting industry benchmarks, DJI steps into the competitive arena with the Mini 5 Pro. This model promises a harmonious blend of portability, power, and performance. But does it truly deliver? A first look. Sleek and portable design. Right out of the box, the DJI Mini 5 Pro captures attention with its lightweight yet robust design. Weighing just under 250 grams, it is compliant with many regulatory requirements, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned users. Its compact size ensures it fits effortlessly into a backpack, making it the ultimate travel companion. Despite its small stature, DJI hasn't compromised on features, packing professional-grade capabilities into this tiny device. The Mini 5 Pro boasts standout specs, including a 48-megapixel camera, intelligent flight modes, and an impressive 31-minute flight time. These features sound incredible on paper, but how do they hold up in real-world scenarios? Camera quality. A game-changer for content creators. Arguably the star of the show, the Mini 5 Pro's camera is a significant leap forward compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4S. Equipped with a larger sensor, this drone excels in capturing sharp, vibrant footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The 48-megapixel resolution caters to creators who demand crystal-clear visuals, whether it's breathtaking landscapes, dynamic moving subjects, or cinematic aerial shots. One of the most noteworthy aspects is its impressive dynamic range. Colors pop with clarity and depth, making your creative vision come to life. This is particularly appealing to professionals working on high-stakes projects. In real-world tests, the Mini 5 Pro's camera delivered consistently stunning results, whether under bright sunlight or during twilight hours. Extended flight time. Freedom to explore. Battery life is a critical factor for drone enthusiasts, and the Mini 5 Pro doesn't disappoint. DJI advertises up to 31 minutes of flight time per charge, and real-world usage closely aligns with this claim, averaging 29 to 30 minutes. This extended flight time is invaluable for creators who need every second to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're navigating dense forests, soaring over majestic mountain ranges, or exploring bustling cityscapes, the Mini 5 Pro's reliable battery performance ensures fewer interruptions. For those accustomed to drones with shorter lifespans, this feature alone makes the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer. Portability and ease of use. Designed for everyone. The compact and lightweight design of the Mini 5 Pro is more than just a convenience. It's a testament to DJI's commitment to accessibility. Beginners will appreciate its intuitive controls and seamless setup process, while seasoned pilots can enjoy customizable settings for advanced maneuvers. From unboxing to takeoff, the experience is straightforward and user-friendly. Its dual-level functionality makes it versatile, catering to casual users capturing family outings as well as professionals working on intricate projects. Intelligent flight modes. Elevating creativity. What truly sets the Mini 5 Pro apart from competitors are its intelligent flight modes. These features enable users to achieve professional quality shots with minimal effort. Active Track allows the drone to lock onto a subject, maintaining smooth, stable footage even as the subject moves dynamically. Meanwhile, Master Shot stitches together a series of camera movements to create polished, cinematic videos automatically. For creators aiming to elevate their content without spending hours in post-production, these tools are invaluable. Other notable modes include Spotlight for focused subject tracking and Point of Interest, which lets the drone orbit around a specific location for stunning panoramic views. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? Specifications can sound impressive, but real-world performance is the ultimate test, and the Mini 5 Pro excels. Even in windy conditions, it remains remarkably stable. producing smooth footage with minimal jitter. Its responsive controls ensure precise navigation, making it suitable for capturing complex shots in tight spaces. The improved range is another advantage. With a robust connection even at extended distances, you can confidently push the drone to its limits without worrying about losing control or signal. Is it worth the hype? After thorough testing, it's clear that the DJI Mini 5 Pro lives up to most of the hype. Its exceptional camera, extended flight time, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for hobbyists, content creators, and professionals alike. However, no product is without its limitations. Who is it for? The Mini 5 Pro is an excellent fit for a broad audience. Beginners. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls make it an accessible entry point. Content creators. The advanced camera and intelligent flight modes elevate video production quality. Professionals. Its portability and powerful features cater to those needing a reliable, high-performing drone. Drawbacks to consider. Despite its strengths, the Mini 5 Pro isn't perfect. The price point may deter casual users who don't require all its advanced features. Additionally, while its flight time is impressive, carrying extra batteries is advisable for extended projects. Final verdict. A worthy investment. The DJI Mini 5 Pro redefines what a compact drone can achieve. With its high-quality camera, extended flight capabilities, and intuitive operation, it's a worthy investment for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. As always, your decision should align with your specific needs and budget. Overall, share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and tech insights. Let's make the most of your tech investments together.